Hare Krishna. It's not a dissatisfaction. It's how to manage no relatives and all asking. You have no marriage. You are not doing any material things. You are not doing properly. So you always speaking of Krishna or ISKCON something. You are promoting temple. What you are getting out of that? You have so much wealth also. After you passed away, who will take care all of this? Like that questions, they are like embarrassing me. They keep on asking. If I give answer also, they are not able to understand the
At
thing.
least they are asking questions, no?
Yes.
That is your service.
But they are embarrassing me.
You go on asking, if you go on, they go on asking the question and you are giving reply, right?
Yes, Prabhu.
They are not, it is not entering them. But sometimes at least 20%, 10% will enter.
So here my problem is my mind getting irritated.
Huh?
They keep on asking same questions every time when I meet my relatives, no?
So you go on replying, no, good preaching, no?
But mind is getting so much irritation, Prabhu.
That is your problem. That is not their problem.
So
now you have to conquer that irritation. Why? You go and reply to him, give him an answer. You should be positive. Let them ask 100 times, very happily, smilingly I will tell. Blissfully I will tell. Then they will see, oh, this person is really elevated in his consciousness. I cannot disturb him. That means something, he is better than me.
Thank you, Prabhu.